Okay, stopping distance depends on your reaction time. That's the time between when you see the hazard and you react. The reacting distance, that's the time between the distance travelled in your reaction time and the braking distance. So stopping distance equals the reaction distance plus the braking distance. So in other words, the distance that you travel till you react and then the distance till you brake. The braking distance formula is given by distance equals k, which is constant v squared. You don't have to remember that, and we'll just do a few questions on it. It says the braking distance changes with the condition of the road. E.g. if it's wet or icy, it will take longer to stop. Ben drives a Holden and has a reaction time of 1.3 seconds. He is travelling 60 kilometres per hour when he saw an accident ahead. He puts his foot on the brake and stops 18.7 metres later. What is his reaction distance? Well, distance equals speed times time. He's going 60 kilometres per hour for 1.3 seconds, but I need to change that to hours. So I need to divide it by 60 to get to part of a minute, and then divide it by 60 to get to part of an hour. So his reaction, the distance is 0.0216 kilometres or 21.6 metres. What's his stopping distance? 18.7 plus 21.6, because it takes 21.6 metres for him to react and then 18.7 to stop. And we get 40.3. Use the braking distance formula, which is up the top, to find k. Distance 40.3 is k times velocity, which is 60 squared. The only problem is this has got to be in kilometres, so I'll just times it by 1,000, divide it by 1,000, and you get 0.0403 divided by 60 squared, because I'm solving an equation, and I get k to be a very, very, very small number. I'm not so much worried about this. You'll get better at it as we get along. I'm not so much worried if you can't follow this solving the equation, because we haven't done those sort of equations yet. So we'll just keep going. Find the braking distance. And this is doing it all again. So we just mightn't worry too much about this. We'll go through some questions in class.